Okay, good morning. This is, what time is it? I don't know, maybe around 11 a.m. We're getting some remnants of the hurricane from down in Florida. I'm in Broughtontown, Kentucky. And the rain has let up here for a moment. It was really, it's raining now, but it was really pitching it down earlier. You can see, let's see if we give me a little, I got a little zoom there. I'm using my gimbal. As you can see, we haven't really had a chance to mow the grass. At least a week. We've just been getting a lot of rain. We've got gusting wind advisory, 50 to 60 mile an hour gust. We're not getting that now, but you can certainly hear the wind in the trees here. Yeah, I think we're going to get this most of the day. We're talking about 5 to 6 inches of rain. So we got wind advisory and flood warning. We don't really flood here. Yeah, there's the wind picking up a little bit. But down the road, there's in one of the hollers on 643, it often floods across the bridge there. And then on 39, south of Crab Orchard, in the flats there, it often comes well up over the road about once a year, twice sometimes. This is that kind of weather. We'll see what happens. You can see that it's quiet right here next to the house. Actually, this is the wind's coming from the other direction. That's why I'm filming here. It's coming from my back. The cats moved off the back porch and came in this direction. They've gone under the house now when I come out here. I guess you're picking up the sound of it. I don't know, I'm using a Hollyland wireless mic. Let's see here. Yeah. Let's zoom in a little bit there. It used to be an Amish property. My neighbors, I've not really met them. They moved here a little while back. I think they got 5 or 6 kids now. They came from California and settling in. My Amish neighbor was there for several years. He had horses in the field across the way. Can't really see too clearly through the brush there, but yeah, and that pasture over there, and on across the road. Yeah, it's windy. Again, that's me here in Broughtontown, Kentucky, September 27th, 2024. And I guess we're at around 11 a.m., something like that. Good day to hunker down, read a book. Okay, so let's see if I can swing this gimbal around. Yeah, okay. I guess you're seeing me. I'm not able to catch the view. I'm using my other front-facing camera. So, yeah, take care, and God bless. I've been looking at some of the stuff in Florida. If you want to get a picture of what's happened, there's a video, put in Cedar Key drone footage in YouTube, and that's a better view of the devastation down there if that's what you need to see. Quite extensive wind damage, flood damage, where the eye went through there. Cedar Key is right on the Big Bend coast where Hurricane Helene crossed. And I haven't seen any footage like that on the regular news stations. Maybe they'll have it there. A lot of damage to the buildings. Okay, we'll call that it for now.